So in this video, I'll show you how to change the language in the Logi Options Plus app. So all you need to do is simply launch the app on your computer, and then you want to click on the settings icon. Scroll through settings until you find language, and you can see by default, it automatically sets itself to use system language. So to change it to something that suits your preferences more, just click on it like so, and then choose a language that is supported by the app. So you have all of these languages to choose from. So just go ahead and select one. And once you have successfully selected it, you'll see that the app will have actually changed the system language. So everything will be in that select language you've just chosen. If you want to switch back to system language, just go back to your language settings, click on the system language icon, and then choose the first option, which no matter which language you switch to, will always be use system language. Once you've done that, you'll have successfully switched to the system language the language of Logi Options back to the system language. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.